Online selling is always competitive, and one of the most important part of selling is the using right keyword. Keywords are the word or phrases people type when they search for product. If you use the right keyword in your product listing, more people will find your product, they will click, and you have a better chance of making a sale. In this video, we will talk about how to build a strong keyword strategy with Helium 10 to get more sales and grow your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the tools and strategies that make selling easier and more profitable. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description. By using that link, any special offer, trial or discount for Helium 10 or other tool that will be applied automatically, so you can get started without missing any benefit. Now let's come to the main part of the video, how to use Helium 10's keyword tool to build a strategy that help you to get maximum sales and beat the competition. The first step in keyword strategy is the finding the right keyword. Helium 10 has a tool that called Cerebro. With Cerebro, you can enter an ASIN, that is a product ID of a similar product, and see what keywords that product is ranking for. This helps you to find high value keyword that real customers are already searching for. Instead of guessing keywords, you use the data that shows what people type when they want a product like yours. Another Helium 10 tool is the magnet. This tool lets you start with a basic keyword and get many related keywords that people search for. For example, if your product is a phone case, you type phone case here, click on get keyword. Now it shows a list of many related searches like shockproof phone cases, the iPhone phone cases. You can see all of these things here. These longer phrases are called the long tail keyword, and they often bring buyers with strong purchase intent. Once you have a list of many keywords, the next step is to filter and prioritize them. You want to look for the keywords that have the good search volume and lower competition. Helium 10 shows you the search volume and the competition level, so you know which keywords are worth targeting. And if a keyword has high volume and low competition, that is a great keyword to add to your list. But if it has extreme high competition and you are just starting, you might be very hard to rank for it. After selecting your best keyword, you should use them in the right place in your product listing. Your title should contain the most important keywords because search engine pay more attention to the title. Next, put other strong keywords in your bullet point, in the description and the backend search terms. But remember, don't just add the keyword randomly. The text should still read naturally and help the customer understand your product. This way, your listing stays customer friendly and search friendly at the same time. Another great feature in Helium 10 is the keyword tracking. After you launch your product or update your listing, you can track how your chosen keywords are performing over the time. This helps you to know if your strategy is working. If some keywords are not helping the traffic or sales, you can adjust them and try the new ones. Tracking helps you to keep improving instead of hoping things work without data. Helium 10 also gives you tools to find the negative keywords. These are keywords that bring visitors who are less likely to buy. For example, if a search term brings visitors who just want information instead of buying, you might want to remove or avoid those from your campaign. This helps your ads focus only on buyers, saving you money and improving the results. Another tip is to use the seasonal and trending keywords. Sometimes people search for the certain terms more during festivals or holidays. Helium 10's keyword trends help you to see when search interest grows or falls. So you can plan the promotions during the best time and boost your sales even more. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video in Easy Access Tech. And if this video helped you to understand how to build a Helium 10 keyword strategy for maximum sales, give it a like and share it with others who are working on online selling. Don't forget to check the link from description to start with the Helium 10 or get any special offer, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.